Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes,
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
very much healthy, ma'am.
Very much healthy. Why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Malaysia, I heard that Malaysia is open country and safe place.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Rosemary Kanaman, 33 years old, single mom, have two children, one 16 and 12 years old. I live in Pasay City from Calbayog City, Samar.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you again. You are single mother or single with live-in partner?
Single mother.
Do you have
No,
boyfriend right now?
no,
No
ma'am.
boyfriend? When
No.
is your birthday?
July 26, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
Height 5'2", weight 48,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
You mentioned that you are a single parent and you got two kids, right? Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
They were sister-in-law.
Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
No brother. Four. We have all four
All four.
siblings.
Okay. So what is your rank in your family?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the
I'm
second, the
the,
third?
I'm the eldest, ma'am.
You are the eldest. So your family, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 53 years old, but my father is deceased.
Okay. So they allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have problem later that who will going to take care of your kids because somebody will going to take care of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
no problem.
no problem.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2022 to 2024 in the Philippines. In which place in the Philippines as a housemaid?
Makati, ma'am.
Are you sure that you work there?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you leave your employer?
I explore I try to work as a sales demo. Just try.
So, what are your duties to your previous employer in Makati for 2 years?
I do all around, ma'am, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and assisting the only child. He
Did you cook
is
there?
not, ma'am.
Okay. How old is the child that you take care?
Yes, ma'am. Only one child for
How old?
15.
15. Okay. What happened? Why you decided to work here as a domestic helper?
I just want to support my two children, their studies, and I want to support also my family.
You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? Most especially that this is your first time working abroad. Homesickness will frequently attack you. So how will you gonna fight for it later?
Uh, for 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 sorry, ma'am.
It's
For
okay.
sorry, ma'am. Ano nga tawag
How
dun?
will you gonna fight your homesickness later?
Okay, all right. Uh, Homesick is very easy for me because very long time I separate to my kids. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay. So domestic helper is very tough. You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Willing to learn. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Um, maybe, ma'am,
Yes or
but
no?
small dog. No, no, ma'am.
No.
Can I?
Okay. Are you okay? Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
No, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing, okay? Because in the first place, in our initial interview, you agree with our terms and conditions. So don't ask permissions once you work here in Malaysia to your employer that you wanted to go out on your rest day, because no such a thing. Because you agree that in the first place, and we will going to adhere in our no go out policy here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
If you agree, then it's okay. You can come. We don't have any problem. Just don't give us trouble. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Because we don't force people to come here. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. You wanted to have a better future for your kids, right? So, Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We are the boss there, but don't bring it here in Malaysia. They have different rules and regulations. We need to follow the um, rules and regulations of the employer inside their premises, because you will be the one working for them for 2 years. Respect the culture. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer. Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So I give you a scenario. What will you do? Like, for example, there is a fire inside the house.
Don't panic, ma'am. Then know where do you want to do first and help ask and help.
Okay. What most you like about chores?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Sorry.
most you like in chores?
Cleaning.
Cleaning is the one you like.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Rosemary, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Ma'am, thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.